My name is Arvinder. This is my lab 6 of Form 380. So the first question is, what is an interpretation? An interpretation is like assigning a true or false to different statements or propositions. For example, if we are guessing the weather, like it's sunny today, yeah, true, it's raining equal to false. Each way you assign truth values is a different interpretation. And now the move to the next question. What is a model? A model is a special kind of interpretation where every rule or fact in the knowledge base is satisfied. In other words, it's when all the truths and condition in your knowledge base are respected. Move to the next question. What does it mean for the proposition to be entailed by a knowledge base? A proposition P is entailed by KB. If P is true in every model where knowledge base is true, this means that whenever knowledge base holds, proposition P must also hold. Move to the fourth question. What does it mean for a proof procedure to be sound? A sound proof procedure only derives conclusion that are logically entailed by the knowledge base. If the procedure derives P, then the proposition P is logically entailed by the knowledge base KB. Move to the next question. What does it mean for a proof procedure to be complete? A complete proof procedure makes sure you can find all the conclusions that logically follow the knowledge base. If something is true based on the knowledge base, this procedure will eventually figure it out. Move to the next question. Here some conditions are given. Let's break down our knowledge base. So if it means that if B is true, then A must be true. And over here, if C is true, then D must be true. And over here, C is always true. It's a fact. Which of the following interpretations are models? So in the first interpretation, I2, I1, A is true, B is true, C is false, and D is false. So if B is true, then A must be true. So this condition satisfied. But in the case of C and D, if C is false, basically C, but according to our knowledge base, C is always true. So this is not a model. For the interpretation 2, A is true, B is true, C is true, here D is false. But if C is true, then D must be true also as per our knowledge base. So this is not a model. For the interpretation 3, A is false, B is true. Here, if B is true, then A must be true, but here is false. So this is not also our model. For the interpretation 4, A is false and B is false. This condition satisfied because B is false. So A must be false as per knowledge base. And over here, if C is true, then D must also be true. This condition is satisfied. So this is our model. Interpretation 4 is our model. Let's move to the which of the following are true. For the first case, entailment KBA, it is A depends on B as per our knowledge base. So it's not true because B can be false in some models like interpretation 4. We'll move to the next KBB. It is also not true because B is not given as true or entailed by other rules, not entailed. So KB entailed C, yes, because C is explicitly true in our knowledge base, thus KB entailed C. For the last part is also true because D depends on the C, so it is also true. This is my lab 6.